Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the most accurate buy and sell signal indicator that gives us profitable trading strategy on TradingView. This strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Xness. If you want to open your account with them, you can get the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, send, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trading. So if you are interested to open your account with them, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. We are going to have here 2 indicators. The first indicator is super trend indicator. 36,063 traders are using this indicator. You have to click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The second indicator that we are using here is donchian trend ribbon. This is by Lonism, and 3,468 traders are using this indicator. You have to click on it. It will be applied on your chart simply. And this chart will look like this. Now we have to go for a few of the adjustment of donchian trend ribbon indicator. Here we have to change its donchian channel period from 20 to 30. And you have to click OK. It will be applied on your chart. Now this is according to our strategy as we want it. Okay, let's see. For example, we want to have a buy signal for the bullish trend. We will see, first of all, we have to wait for the super indicator to give us buy signal. The second thing that we have to see that our market has to have a bullish trend. The third thing that we have to see for the confirmation from the donchian trend ribbon, that it has to show us the green color candles from here. And you can see it will show us this green color candle till this. So from here, as it has left it, the sell indicator is appeared by the super indicator, and it is going to show us that now this is the trend of bearish, and you can enter the trade into the trade for the bearish signal or for the sell signal, right? So for some instant it has changed into the buy, so buy signal appeared. But as I told you that if the market is in the level, so you will not trade for sell or buy, you have to ignore the signal. But here, as it has given us another sell signal indicator, and our donchian trend ribbon indicator also shown us the red color candles here, red color, so we will enter into the trade for the bearish signal, and we will take the trade for sell signal, as there are more sellers in the market than the buyers. So this is very accurate according to its strategy, and we can use it for other charts as well. Let's go in the New Zealand USD, and we can see here that if it is going to give us the buy signal, we have to confirm it by looking at the trend of the candles, plus we have to see that our donchian trend ribbon indicator should also show us the green color candles from here. And if it is going to give us the sell signal, then we have to confirm it by the donchian trend ribbon indicator, that if there are red color candles, then we will be taking the trade for the sell, and otherwise we will not enter into the trade. For this buy, you can see it was a strong buy, and it has given us the profit till now, and it is going to give us the profit till here. And if the trend will be continued, then it will be changed. It will take the reversal, and it will change into the red color signal, and conversely it will be here in the trend ribbon indicator also red color candles will be appeared. So this strategy you can also use for your day trading. Here I have to change its time frame into 1 hour, for example. Then this will be used for your day trading. It will be equally good for your day trading as well as for the scalping, but I do use it for my day trading. Okay, if you like this strategy, then do use it for your trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you, and good luck for your trading. Bye bye.